Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1955 Ford F100. Love this truck, guys. I bought this actually at a show down in Tennessee, but I bought the truck from a gentleman. Matter of fact, earlier in the spring I bought a 40 Ford pickup from him, but this actually wasn't his. This was actually his buddy's truck. Recent, matter of fact, it's got 1,600 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Very nicely done truck. Unfortunately, he's run into some health issues and he had to sell it. But great truck. I will tell you one thing, guys. I probably put 50, 60 miles on this truck, drove it up in the mountains, 95-degree heat with the air on, with the windows up. Great truck, man. Good, solid body, all steel. It's got a beautiful deep red metallic paint on it. It's got that tan ultra leather. You can see it's got the American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. Does have a front subframe with disc brakes. Great truck, man. Little 350 crate motor in it that sounds great. 700 R4 overdrive transmission, new glass. I can't say enough about it. Really just a nice truck. Other than a few little stone pecks and touch-up marks, I didn't see a whole lot you can really nitpick on the truck. You can see the chrome on the truck is very nice. There's a little touch-up mark. Just your standard little stone peck stuff from driving it. Of course, you can see the new front bumper. Pretty paint. Really good looking truck, guys. Cowl vent does work. See that new front windshield. Sorry guys, a little dust in there. All new oak bed, new wood slats, new chrome trim. The tailgate here does work. Got the little blue dot tail lights. Yeah, like I say, Eddie and I, we drove it, and you see a couple little touch-up marks there. Eddie and I, we drove this thing. Like I say, took it up in the mountains. It was 95 degrees, stuck in traffic. Just a little dust, guys. And it did awesome, man. This truck drove great. Good rubber on it. See the chrome tips. Dual exhaust. I love these old fat fender Fords. I thought that was cool too. They blacked out the running boards. Of course, it's got the Ford step on it. Again, it does have a front subframe, so it's got the disc brakes. This is a 350 crate engine. Again, back behind a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. Does have the flip front end, Old Air Products AC, aluminum intake on it, stock exhaust manifolds. See the power disc, painted real nice underneath the hood. And I'll tell you one thing, guys, this hood works as nice as any one I've ever seen. I mean, this thing really works nicely. Power steering, HEI distributor. Pretty truck, guys. got both driver and passenger chrome mirrors. These trucks are so much fun. They're so hot in the market too. Everybody's wanting trucks. I know this works. I had it open. I like the color combination here. That tan is really rich looking. It's got the 3-point harnesses too, the shoulder harnesses. Comfortable seat. It's a contoured seat. Yeah, let me get it to. Of course, it's got the tilt column in it, billet steering wheel. It's got all custom plastic instrument gauges, tacking gauges, 1664 on the odometer. There's your AC. There's your lever for your cowl vent. Like I say, the AC blows cold. We gave it a really good test, guys. Just a standard rear end, no big gear or anything like that. Definitely something to get on the expressway and cruise in. Really just a good truck, man. Nice underneath, got it up in the air, got you some pictures of the bottom of the truck. Standard 10-bolt GM rear end. I know those Ford guys like Ford running gear, but it's got the next best thing, I guess. Windows roll up and down real nice. Good truck, man. Good guy I bought it from. The billet hinges on it. I think this comes out. Yeah, if you don't want that, you can pull that right out. Oh, the macro. Getting ready to have an accident out front. See how clean everything is down here? Good truck, man. Really good truck. Bunch of new stuff coming. I just bought 3 more this weekend, so get Jordy's attention here. I know a lot of stuff isn't in the website, but I'm going to get after it and get it done. Just a little switch in there. So you just click your air on, it works. Now you come shut this hood, okay? Like I say, the hood is really, it functions very well. Very well. Give one more, make sure the bottom, there you go, yeah. And look at the fit and finish on it. Very nice. Like I say, it fits really good. Opens and closes nice and easy. Gauges are all functional. Tack works. Give a little rev there, Jordy. There you go. Your what do you call it? Kick down, idle. Hopefully you can see these. No backup lights. Got good sounding small block in it. Again, there's no radio. It's radio delete. Blower motor works. Like I say, everything shuts nice and easy. Just a good truck. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a good truck right there, man. Ooh, take it off on me. Have a great day, guys.